Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your device clock is accurate because SSL relies on correct time. Once done, temporarily disable VPN or proxy and any antivirus browser shields that intercept certificates, because these commonly trigger privacy errors. Next, open Chrome in incognito to test without extensions or stored cookies. This gives a clean baseline. If the site loads there, you know the issue is local to extensions, cache, or a security tool rather than the server. Now you inspect the certificate chain and Chrome settings to find the root cause. Click the padlock next to the URL, view the certificate, and check issuer, validity dates, and chain. An untrusted issuer or expired cert explains the error. Make sure to clear cache and cookies and remove any recently added extensions that alter requests. Then verify Chrome's security settings and secure DNS option. If TLS versions were forced off by a policy, restore defaults to let Chrome negotiate modern encryption properly. Finish by rebooting your router and device, then test the site from another network or device to rule out local network interception. If the server certificate is invalid, contact the site administrator and avoid entering sensitive data. Only proceed with caution if you understand the risk. If problems persist, check your operating system's root certificate store for revoked or removed CAs, and, as a last resort, reinstall Chrome to clear corrupted profile settings. If you still see the error, use the troubleshooting tip below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.